Why a personal interview? Tell me. Yeah? In the knowledge and the things that you've written down.
Resume can't show how the human being reacts on certain situations.
So you will need to answer that particular question. So first, one thing at a time. Attitude. You started with attitude, okay. So attitude is what company wants to see. That cannot be seen in a resume, right? Yeah. Attitude. Communication, right?
Personality.
Communication, right? Communication, then personality, somebody said. Personality, yeah. Confidence, yeah. Then
Experience.
no, experience cannot be seen in you, right? So that's what. What does a company see? Presentation skill. That is okay. Presentation skill.
Behavior.
Attitude में आ गया? Presentation. What else?
Your current
Body language. Body language actually is a part of communication, right? So body language. What else?
depth of knowledge.
Many more points, Depth of knowledge. So you can say subject knowledge, right? The knowledge of the subject.
Your background, and also they want to know that you are working for some time or long time.
Okay. So background. Now tell me, my friend, your name is Akshay. So let's say, how will they already know in the biodata that you work for how long. So if you are talking about stability, they know you are stable or not stable.
So someone just want to little time for job.
Reason for change.
Okay, reason for change, right? So that's what they want to know, reason for change. Reason for change. What else? What else does a company see in a personal interview? Why does a company conduct a personal interview?
Whether that candidate is suitable for that company.
So let's give Rudra a big clap. Actually, the whole checking is for that only, right? So we'll come to that little later. Yeah. What else is? What are the small parameters that make up a person fit for the job or not, right? So that's what we're looking. What are other some more parameters? कुछ तो भी तुम some major important ones you are missing out. Very obvious ones. The company also wants to see.
Job description, JD.
No, what? Job description means what? Means what? What is the company or what is the HR manager? Why is he calling you? Why is he calling you for an interview? अरे सिंपल सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट यार भूल गए क्या सैलरी? भूल गए क्या? एनजीओ सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन राइट? अभी उसमें लिखा तो है ये यहाँ से यहाँ देंगे, बट व्हाट इज योर एक्सपेक्टेशन? करेक्ट? व्हाट एल्स? व्हाट एल्स? लैंग्वेज फ्लुएंसी नहीं देखेंगे? फ्लुएंसी या सो कम्युनिकेशन में आ गया, बट देन लैंग्वेज फ्लुएंसी. व्हाट एल्स? टेक्निकल स्किल्स वो देखेंगे नहीं ज्यादा. We are right now today talking about a HR interview only. We are talking about HR interview. So if you are a software engineer or if you are a technical person, you will have another round of technical interview. But today but still they will just generally want to know, are you good at what is your words per minute speed if you are going for a back office job, right? If you are a software engineer, generally how do you have technical skills? What kind of technical skills do you have? What else is the company really looking at in a personal interview? What else? What are the small other parameters? Some very important ones.
Notice period.
Notice period. Okay, chalo, notice period. You change many jobs? Okay, notice period. What else? Okay.
Basic expressions.
Relevance. What is the relevance of the experience you have? You say I have worked in accounts. Then in the interviewer finds out that you have done only accounts up to finalization. You don't know more, right? You don't know how to finalize the accounts, right? So you've gone for an interview. You've written something in the resume, but it's not very clear. When the interviewer talks to you, he or she realizes that your experience is really suitable to the job that is there. Yeah, so relevance. What else? Authenticity. What does it mean?
Origin.
Authenticity.
Originality.
Of what? See, you've given so much data on the resume, right? Not necessarily you have the jobs, right? Today I was interviewing a trainer, and you know what? She wrote she has done 2 jobs. When I spoke to her, she said she's worked in this, some 6 jobs she has done. So authenticity, whatever you've written in the resume, is it true or no? Some people say they are postgraduates and they have not written, right? They don't write it down. Some people have written post-graduation but they don't have the certificates, correct? So that also company wants to do in a personal interview. What else? The list is huge. That's why you are here, because they are checking so many things.
Leadership skill.
Leadership skill, that comes in attitude, that will come in behavior. Yeah. So let's say soft skills. What else? Is it really very important to dress very well in an interview? तो आप कैसे भूल गए? 99% of the times nobody has told me. 99% of the time. Why people forget, I don't know. Right? Your dress up. Why is it important? Is it part of personality? Let's see. It's part of personality. अच्छा, तो you assume that आपने बोला हुआ था, मतलब personality में include किया था? No